Hi, so today we are going to be doing Learning Target 1, question number 2, and I would write out the problem except for the fact that it's a really long word problem, so I will read it aloud slowly, I guess. Leto's department can deliver enough parts to fill a storeroom in 8 hours. Jessica's department uses the part to build another product. Her department can deplete a full storeroom in 12 hours. Starting with an empty storeroom, how long will it take Leto's area to fill the storeroom while Jessica's department is working? So there is a bunch of information that you can pull from this. So the first thing is that it takes 8 hours for Leto's department. And the other piece of important information is that it takes 12 hours for Jessica's. Okay, so currently that's all the information we have. But the question is, starting with an empty storeroom, how long will it take Leto's area to fill the storeroom while Jessica's department is working? Which means that you're going to be doing an addition problem. And because each of them are starting with an empty storeroom, and it takes Leto's department 8 hours, it's going to be one storeroom over 8 hours for Leto's department, plus one department working over 12 hours for Jessica's. And that is going to equal 1 over T. And T is equal to the hours together.
For everything else is correct?
To fill the storeroom.
Thanks. So all we do is you multiply these.
Okay, so
Math.
from here, you'll notice that these two are these two are non-equal denominators, and they need to be equal denominators. So what you're going to do is you're going to find a common factor. And the first thing I can come up with is that a common factor of 8 and 12 is 24. So 8, and I'm going to multiply 8 times 3 and 8 times 3, and that's going to give me 24. I'm going to multiply 12 times 2 because 12 times 2 is 24, and 1 times 2 because you have to multiply the top 2. So my equation is going to turn into 3 over 24 plus 2 over 24, which then equals 1 over T. So the next step is you're going to add them. So it's going to equate to 5 over 24 equals 1 over T. And from here, you're going to cross multiply and divide, which means that you're going to multiply these two, and you're going to multiply these two, which means 24 equals 5x. And you want to isolate the variable x, so which means you're going to divide this by 24. So currently, x equals 24. And x equals t2. Sorry. So now you're going to divide them to figure out your answer. So it's going to be 24 divided by, sorry, wrong order. 24 divided by 5. So then it's going to be 24 minus 4.0, bring down the 0, and that's going to be equal 8. So your x value or your t value is going to be equal to 24.8 hours. So x or t equals 4.8. And that is your answer. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it is helpful to you. Thank you.
Lily, I hope you didn't hear me. Or see you listening.